I'm glad you could make it.
This is the most expensive restaurant in Sydney. How can you afford it? I thought business wasn't going so well.
That was before I called WolfBite. Now that my website is up and running, business is booming. People are finding me on Google and things are going great.
That is fantastic. I saw your Facebook page and commented on your new blog. You really seem to be making the most of it.
Yes, WolfBite showed me some great strategies on how to use my social media features without having to spend too much time on it.
Great news. I told you they were amazing.
You should tell all your friends to call WolfBite, because
if you want a site, call WolfBite.